Hi, I'm Bill Shales and I'm a new home sales consultant for Summit Southwest. With over 16 years of experience with Summit Southwest, I've pretty much seen it all. Built residential homes, large developments, built granny flats. I've seen many changes. I've seen product change, I've seen design change, I've seen cultural changes. However, the one thing that remains a constant is the company's dedication to providing excellent building. Throughout my years in this job, I've seen many display homes, but the Braywood in Dalyella is one of my favourites, and I'm excited to show you some of its features. The first time I pulled up in the driveway of this home, I was immediately taken by the beautiful veranda, the front gable, the 1020 front entry door. The 42-course entry was something to behold. I continued on up through the passage and was absolutely blown away by the 52-course double rake living dining, coupled with a raking glass window and full glass across the back of the home. This house, designed for a block with views. It could be rural views, it could be ocean views, but it is glass from left to right, top to bottom. I thought for a rural location, but even so, you can build it on a normal block, in a normal residential location. You could design a beautiful garden, invite that garden inside your house. From the beautiful barn doors that lead you through to the theatre, even to the tic-tac tiles in the kitchen, this home exudes a certain elegance. From our industry-leading build times to our multiple awards, we're local builders using local suppliers, employing local people. Who knows, you may even see your supervisor down at the supermarket. As for me, you'll definitely catch me on the golf course.